Maui is on fire and needs our help. I am sure many of you have seen the live footage on social media or the news of the fire and devastation Hurricane Dora has rained upon the beautiful garden island of Maui. Observing the destruction of Front Street alone has broken my heart and brought tears to my eyes. This is very personal for me and my family, as it is to the community of Maui. I'm going to share a quick story of a Howley's family love affair with Maui. See, I first had the privilege of visiting and the opportunity of surfing and exploring this exquisite island in 1975. My sister Cindy moved to Maui in 1980. Our family purchased a family home in 1989 in Kihei that thankfully survived the fires that my sister still lives in with her husband today, when so many others have lost their homes and businesses. In 1999, my wife Anna and I got married on the majestic island of Lanai, and a few years later, my sister Cindy married a local Hawaiian, Hal, in Maui in 2003. My daughter Brianna has been visiting Maui since she was 2 years old. My father has lived on Maui. As you can see, it's a family affair. We love Maui, the people, the culture, the community. They have been nothing but kind, loving, and gracious to our Hale family. Ohana means family in Hawaiian. If you've ever visited Maui, you know the culture is based upon giving and that loving aloha spirit. Please stand with me and help support these wonderful people and community by doing whatever you can emotionally and financially to help us rebuild that aloha spirit. I have included some reputable links below on how you can donate and help Maui rise again. Please forward this video to everyone you know and help this video go viral, and let the beautiful Hawaiian people, the culture, the community of Maui know that we care and love them. Let's help this community rise from the ashes and shine again with that special aloha spirit. Please follow me on how we can make a difference and support this community. Mahalo.